how to sign up Remitly or open a Remitly account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can sign up for Remitly or open up a Remitly account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to sign up Remitly and open a Remitly account, all you have to do is simply first of all open the Remitly application here. Then once you launch the Remitly app, you have to go to the option called create a new profile if you don't have an account. Now just select the country from which you want to send the money, to which country you want to send to here, and after you've done that, just tap the next option. Then once you select the next option, the next step will require you to simply enter the email address that you want to use for your Remitly account. So just select an email address that you want to use and make sure you have access to this email address, because it might ask for verification later on. And after that, just make sure to go ahead and choose a password for yourself. Once you make sure to enter your username or your password on your email address, all you have to do is tap the join Remitly option and your Remitly account will be successfully created. This is simply how you can sign up or create a Remitly account. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.